Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to the channel. In this week's episode of 180 Tech Chat, our weekly roundup video showcasing some of the best bits of tech and games news from last week. So first up, and we're playing a bit of catch up this week, is an announcement from Blizzard. Now they're on the lookout for new staff, from designers, software engineers and artists, to develop a brand new survival game. The World of Warcraft developers haven't named their new game yet, and they've only given us a brief description of what they expect. Blizzard has said though that the game is going to come both to PC and consoles, so there is that. And if it's multiplayer, I'm hoping it's cross-platform so you can play with all of your friends no matter the platform. Not much is known yet, but we're sure to keep up with the announcements in the future. And of course, since Activision Blizzard have been bought by Microsoft recently, then well, I just don't know what's going to happen with this game, whether it's going to be an Xbox or PC Games Pass, whatever, exclusive. But they have just mentioned consoles, so it might be coming to Sony and Nintendo as well. But as I say, not much is known. This week, Sony announced the new budget soundbar, the HTS400. It's an upgrade from the original HTS350. It's a 2.1 setup with a 900mm wall-mountable soundbar, plus a wireless subwoofer you can locate elsewhere in the room. The total output is around 330 watts, and its inputs include optical, HDMI ARC, and Bluetooth. It'll come with Dolby Digital and Sony's own virtual surround sound technology, S-Force Pro front sound. Sony says it puts you, the consumer, right in the action of your favorite movies by emulating cinema-style surround sound. By using front speakers only, Sony's unique digital sound field processing technology virtually reproduces the surround sound field. If you're interested though in finding out a little bit more on that, Nick did a separate video about that, and I'll drop a little card up there just now. For all you Pocket Monster fans out there, the latest Pokemon game has just been released, Pokemon Legends Arceus. The game takes players through the Sinnoh region of old, where it was called a different name, Hisui, and in a time when it was as rare for humans and Pokemon to live in close harmony. The trainers will have to catch, survey and research wild Pokemon, complete their Pokedex and challenge other trainers. Reviews coming in do look pretty positive, Metacritic giving it an 86%, Eurogamer 4 out of 5. So it looks promising. It's available now for your Nintendo Switch, and if you love Pokemon, it sounds like you'll love this game. The guys and girls over at Joby have just announced a few new products that do look very exciting. First up, the Wavo Air, which is a wireless lavalier mic for on-the-go audio recording. The Wavo Air kit comes standard with 2 transmitters, 2 lavalier mics, and cable adapters for both cameras and phones, and features high-quality 2.4 GHz wireless audio capture technology in a compact form factor. We have seen these types of kits before, and I'll leave a card up here, to one of the videos that we made earlier. Next up, the Wavo Pod, a microphone for streamers, gamers, content creators, and podcasters. The Wavo Pod is a large diaphragm USB condenser microphone for audio streamers that has both cardioid and omnidirectional pickup patterns with 24-bit 48 kHz high-res sampling rates. They also announced a new shotgun mic for your mirrorless or DSLR cameras, named the Wave Pro. It's a mid-range shotgun mic that you can plug in and create your content. Prices vary, and I think they are available now to purchase. The latest game to hit online stores is Dying Light 2. It came out today, by the way, but is it a winner or another flop that we're all too commonly familiar with? It's a bit of both. We've got fans already asking for refunds, as they are not happy that Techland have added in TechNuovo into the game at the very last minute. Now, for those of you unaware, TechNuovo is some kind of controversial anti-tamper DRM technology. Now, why so unhappy? People are saying that the anti-piracy software was deliberately hidden from game reviewers or people who pre-ordered, and it heavily impacts performance and does absolutely nothing positive for the player who purchased the game. On the other hand though, some are giving it fairly decent reviews, Metacritic averaging at 77 out of 100, IGN gave it a 7 out of 10, and PC Gamer gave it an 84 out of 100. There has also been a huge day one patch with a bunch of fixes. I've not had a chance to play it myself. I'm going to be playing it later after I've edited this video, but I will and then be able to give my own verdict. Wait for that next week. Viral phenomenon game Wordle has been sold. The owner, the guy who created, has sold the game to the New York Times for a 7-figure sum. The actual figure hasn't been shared, but 7 figures, that is a tidy milli in the bank. If you've not seen or played the game yet, it's free to play online, it's dead simple and actually quite addictive. and my friend group chat, we've all been playing Wordle, or some of us have been playing Wordle, the others hate it. You have 6 chances to figure out a 5-letter word. After each chance, letters are highlighted green, meaning it's the right letter in the right location, yellow meaning it's the right letter in the wrong location, or grey meaning that that letter isn't in the word at all. It's a new word once a day, so you can't binge play, which is kind of nice, and it just gets your brain doing a little bit of thinking. It's a bit of a brain teaser on a daily basis. Now, moving to the New York Times though, I'm sure it will become heavily monetized with ads, but I hope it remains free to play, but time will tell. Thank you very much for checking out this week's 180 Tech Chat. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe to keep up with our latest tech and gaming videos, and also let us know in the comments below if we missed anything big this week, or what news surprised you, or if you know of anything and you want to share about any of the news stories we've discussed today. Let us know in the comments down below. As I say, thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.